Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling all FiveM crashes and errors. If your game is crashing, stuttering, or throwing random errors, stick around because I'm sharing all the working solutions to get you back into the game without any issues. But first, here's a quick working solution that fixes a lot of issues right away. Restart both GTA V and FiveM, then launch FiveM as an administrator. Sometimes, simply running FiveM with admin permissions can solve most crashes instantly. Give it a try, and if it still crashes, stay tuned as we go through the detailed steps to fix this for good. And that's it. These are the most effective solutions to fix crashes and errors in FiveM. Try these steps, and let me know in the comments if any of these worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!